check it out. We got night vision kind of goggle binoculars. They're pretty cool. You can see in there, it's got a screen. We'll try to show you footage of that. It's got a screen in there, so you could zoom in, zoom out, kind of like a binocular situation. As you zoom in, it kind of just gets a little grainy, but really cool vision. You can hit these buttons up here for taking a picture or videoing just instantly, like out of the box, ready to go. It does come with a little micro SD card and the jump drive to use it out of the box. It's got the head strap. It's got a wrist strap. It does charge with this USB-C, and it works pretty good. You could be in total darkness and the IR function would work. So you can use these as regular binoculars during the day. Not very good binoculars, but at night in low light or complete darkness, this side right here has an IR red light that comes out, which is kind of visible, not really that visible to the human eye, so you could sneak up on people. Let's say you're playing capture the flag, or let's say you're looking outside at someone messing with your car. Instead of shining a big flashlight, you're like, well, who is that down there? And you could shine this IR red light on them and then see what they're doing down there. It works pretty good for that in low light or complete darkness. Even like home defense, like you're walking around your house, you don't want someone to see you, but you want to see them. You could use it for that. There is a little bit of light glare kind of on the side where your eyes go, and they could potentially see that red light. So night vision goggles, binoculars, pretty cool. Get some in the description below. Peace out.